Okay, went up to RP, got one of these. Hope it's the right one. I don't really know. I don't know if you're supposed to do this either, but lubrication has never done me wrong. Right? I've had this piece warm up in the sun. Didn't work. Lovely. So, oh wait a minute. Do I gotta put the ring on beforehand? Hold on. Let's see. Yep, I already fucked up. I mean, messed up, whatever. I would say I would edit that out, but obviously I don't know how to do that. Oh no, it fit. Haha. Sort of. There. Right? Something like that. And move all your stuff out of the way. It's going to prevent you from being able to. And then you go like this. And you get that on there. Oh, I missed it. Damn it, I've done this. There. Okay. That you do it 2 directions, and I haven't used one of these in a while, so I'm struggling. Okay. Now, I had a bag of clippies. There it is. Clippies. No, I guess these are crimpies, not clippies. Alright, so we'll put one on here. And one on here before I forget again. Alright. Okay. And once again with that little bit of, oh wow, went right together. Put that down. I think that's gonna work. What do you guys think? Nope. First off, I forgot about that. Let's try that. Got it. Whoop. Oh, come on. Do I got it where I want it? Now that it's moved around on me. Oh, my shoulder popped. I had my 93rd birthday the other day. No, 83rd birthday. Now, can I get my cutters back? Thank you. Crimpers. All right. Do we think that there's going to be any leaks? Let me know. I'll turn it on real fast. It's really very technical. A lot of y'all wouldn't understand what just happened. But there's now water where there hasn't been water in like 2 or 3 years with that little thing. And for the first time, toilets and shower stalls and everything have water. So I'm gonna go check all that. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching.